Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me Ulefone Armor 18, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port on this device. So firstly, you need to open the USB charging port. And then remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just clean the dirt out. Remove dirt from your port. And cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you!